Hey everyone, need to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone? Maybe you're selling it or just don't need that account anymore? Let me show you how. All right, so first open the Settings app on your Android phone. Just tap that gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Passwords and Accounts or Accounts. The exact name depends on your Android version. Tap on that. Now you'll see a section called Accounts For or just a list of all your accounts. Look through there and find the Gmail account you want to remove. Tap on it. This opens up the account information page. You'll see sync settings and stuff like that. Look for Remove Account, usually at the bottom, and tap on that. Here's the important part. Android will warn you that removing this account deletes all its messages, contacts, and other data from your phone. Just so you know, this only removes it from this device. Your account still exists, you're just disconnecting it from this phone. If you're sure you want to remove it, tap Remove Account again to confirm. And boom, it's gone. That Gmail account is now removed from your Android phone. You won't get emails from it, calendar events won't sync, nothing. If you ever want to add it back, just go to the same settings, tap Add Account, choose Google, and sign back in. And that's it. Super simple way to remove a Gmail account from your Android device.